So we have a brand new customer that came in today, Trux Fleet Mobile Service, 770-780-4062. I asked him if it was okay if I used his logo and company. He said that's totally cool. And also the other phone number is 470-436-5054, Trux Fleet Services. This is a pretty nice company. But I want to show you what they brought in, because that is truly the interesting part. Okay, so this is something else. Look at this DPF. It is shot, melted, burned up, wrecked. Even the decomp chamber has literally been burned through like you hit it with a plasma torch. Let's take a look at the inlet for the SCR. Yowza, that's nasty. So then the question is, what causes this? And sure enough, it is excessive regeneration. They sit and hit this thing with a regen after regen after regen, and eventually just fried the entire system. So what was causing them to do the regen in the first place? Obviously, the DPF was getting full of soot. Now that can happen just over time. Soot and ash can build up. But I talked to the mechanic at the shop, the new shop that just came in, Trux Mobile Repair, and he said that he's getting codes for a couple of failing injectors. And just think about that. If he's got injectors that are overfueling, it's going to produce a lot of black soot that'll build up. Also, the overfueling can contribute to the damage of the DPF, because it basically is almost like it's under regen continuously. That additional fuel that bad injector is dropping into the cylinder has no place to go other than downstream. It hits the DOC. The DOC boosts the temperature up to 1,000 degrees, and so this thing is sitting there struggling under that temperature all the time. And add to that the minute that you go high soot level, you run into Love's and get a regen done. Then you go to the dealership, they do a regen. Go to the next mechanic, they do a regen. Your buddy with a scan tool does a regen, and pretty soon you've got trouble. So what I want to show you is tomorrow. So check back tomorrow what this looks like after. Let me give you a quick recap so you can remember what we're dealing with today. So that is your burned up DPF. And that's something that we really can't help. It's going to have to get replaced. But we have really good OEM filters that have been cleaned, tested with a 1-year warranty that he can replace that with. Let's take a look at the SCR. This is going to look the biggest difference tomorrow. I can't wait to show you. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, share, because I just want to be loved. Don't forget to check us out on YouTube. And come back tomorrow so you can see what this looks like once we have worked our magic on all of this.
Hello, future me here. Just wanted to say and remind you, I got to read this correctly, Trux Fleet Mobile Services, Trux Fleet Mobile Services, 770-780-4062. So, seems like a great guy, new customer. I want to support these small businesses out there, keeping the trucks rolling as they go through Atlanta. So give them a try. If you have any issues and need some help, we're there to back them up and in turn back you up. Whether your problem is after treatment related or anything else, give Trux Fleet Mobile Services a call at 770-780-4062. Commercial over.